Hello, good morning, YouTube. My name is Victor Lu. Um, I've been hearing a lot of questions, and you know, people asking how they want to learn their keyboard. What they should know is that before you learn a keyboard, you have to know the basics, and the basic is knowing the names of all the keys on the keyboard. Like they have different sound and they have different names. They also have different function. So to know the keys on the keyboard, just know that the letters on the keyboard is A to G. And after your A to G, you start again. That is when you say A B C D E F G, you start again A B C D E F G, and that's how it continues till it end. So let's start from here now. The key here doesn't start from the A, so I will teach you from the C. And what you should know is that any any key before the two black notes is your key C. So this is my key C. There is another two black notes. Before the two black notes is another key C. This is a two black notes, and before the two black notes is another C. Yes, another two black notes, and before the two black notes is your C. Here is another two black notes, and before the two black notes is your C, your key C. So now I told you that the keyboard stop in G. So let's go now. Once I start from C, anywhere we reach G, you start from A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Then you continue like that. So this is your key C, D, E, F, G. You start from your A again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 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 A, B, C. So it's very simple. You should learn that. I wish I was with a marker here. I will have been able to mark, like write the names of the key so that you understand it better. But just know, anywhere you want to start, anywhere you see two black notes, know that your key, your C is before the two black notes. And that is what I just said. This is your C. Even if you want to start from here, you say C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. You see, I return to my C because I started from the C. And that is how you can use to know your black notes. Once you have learned the complete white notes, your black notes will not be hard for you. And this is your C. You see, this one sounds sharper than this, and that is why you call this your C sharp. That is why they call this C sharp, because from you listening to the two key, you will know that one sounds sharper than the other. Like any black note after any key sounds sharper, and that is why you call it your sharp. So this is your C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, and that's how you go. And you see, immediately I came here again, I started explaining what I explained here. Because yes, still your C sharp, yes, still your C sharp. Then for you to know your flat, I say sharp is the ones that sound like when you're moving like this. Your sharp is the black note after the key you press. But if you want to know your flat, that's why they call it flat, something down. You understand? That is why you start from. Okay, for you to know your flat now, just locate any key. This is your B. this is your B flat. Because see, from the sound now, you know that this one sound lower than this. It sounds something that is dying, like something dying. So that is your B flat. This is your A. As far as this key is before the A is your flat, your A flat. You understand? But if you are coming like this now, you will know that this is a sharp to this key. But this key now, this is the flat to this key. You understand? So this is your C, this is your C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, and that's how you continue. Then let's go from our flats now. This is your B flat, which is also the A sharp. So this key has two names. This key has two names. This key has two names. You understand? Such as this and this. So you call this your C sharp before, but it's your C sharp and your D flat, because this you call it the sharp because it is after C, and you call it a flat because it's before D. So it has two names, just like B flat, but it's your A sharp too. If you are coming like this, is your A sharp. So it has a name, that is A sharp and B flat. So this key is, and either you want to play it in the flat way or the sharp way. So this is your B flat and A sharp. Then this is your A flat, A flat, and your what? G sharp. Such as this is G, this is G flat. That is F sharp. So they have two names, such as this now. This is C D E. This is your E flat, and this is your D sharp. You want to play the sharp way. Then this is your C. This is your C sharp, but this is your D flat also, because it's a black note before your D. So once you master all these things, because I will advise you now. You see, like here, there are some black writing I clean. That's how I used to learn the keyboard. I used to write before on the keyboard. I started masterizing the keys on the keyboard so that I will know better. So from there, once you are being able to master these keys, and you master your black notes and being able to play them to hear how they sound, you can go further. And after this video now, once you have learned everything I teach you here, I'll be releasing other videos, that is how you can play with these keys that I'm teaching you with. How you can play your worship, how you can play praise, your makosa, your warrior style, anything you want to play, I'll teach you how to play with it. But first of all, I say let me release this video so that I'll make it easy for people out there who wants to learn keyboard, because there are lots of complaints that yeah, I don't know this, because you are just jumping into learning how to play it when you have not even learned the keys on the keyboard. You get what I'm saying? You have not learned all the keys on the keyboard, you cannot start playing. Even if you start playing, you have problem later, because you won't even know when they tell you, guy, go to F flat, go to play on key F. You won't even be able to know where it is, because you don't even know where to locate the F, and that's where the problem comes from. But if they say C, this is your C, this is your D, this is E, this is F, this is F sharp, anywhere you want to play, as far as you know the various keys on your keyboard, you'll be able to use it to play some kind of song. So this is the end of this video. Please, as you all see, I just began this piano keyboard channel, and I'll be needing subscribers. Also like and comment, please, and also hit the after subscribing, hit the alarm, the bell icon, also to get updated when I release a new video, so that you'll not be left out, because I'll be giving plenty tutorials on how to play different songs, and I'll be teaching you step by step. You understand? I'm here for beginners, also here for people who wants to learn anything. You can just put it in the comment section and I will release the video for you. But please and please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.